Hey guys! Today's video is going to be a makeup look. I recently got the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just so excited to play around with this. I love the Modern Renaissance palette. That was like my #1 palette last year. So I am very excited to use this and just wing it. Basically, I have no idea what kind of look I'm going to do, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is the palette. These are the colors. They are just absolutely beautiful. And like the other palettes, it just comes with this brush. So I'm just gonna put that aside. But oh my god, I am so in love with these colors. As soon as I saw the picture on Instagram, I was just like, yes. So my eyes are already primed. I just put some concealer on them, and also the majority of my face makeup is done. The only thing that I didn't do is highlighter, and I'm saving that for the end because I have another new product that I want to use. And don't mind my hair, it's just up and out of my face while I finish my makeup. Last night I cleaned all of my brushes. Took me like an hour, but I felt so good after I did it. Anyway, that's besides the point. Okay, so first, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling like a pink eyeshadow look. Just because these pink eyeshadows are so beautiful that I just really want to use them. And, I think first I'm going to go in with Rustic. And I'm pretty sure this shade is in the Modern Renaissance palette because I read that they did use some of those colors in this palette, which I don't mind. But I'm going to go in with Rustic, just with a blending brush to put that in my crease and use that as a transition color. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Rose Pink, which is this one right here, and I literally just messed that eyeshadow up. Let's just not talk about it. So I'm just going to be taking a regular eyeshadow brush and just putting this all over my lid. That is so pretty. This is such a pretty color. In the palette, it looks like a straight up like shimmery pink, but then you put it on and it looks more like it has like some gold reflex in it. Very, very pretty. And even with this color, it's shimmery, but there's like no fallout at all, which I'm surprised because normally if it's more of like a glittery kind of color, you'll have some more fallout, but there's literally like none. Okay, so just gonna blend a little, and then I want to use this like purple pink kind of color on my outer corner. This is Dusty Rose, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the outer corner. So that's just covering up the brown a little and adding just a little purple into the look. It does look like a very like soft, romantic, pretty look. Okay, then just gonna blend again. And I don't want to go any darker on the outer corner because I do want to keep this like a soft makeup look. So on the bottom lash line, I think I'm going to mix a little bit of Rustic and Cypress Umber. So these two right here. Or actually, no, forget that. I'm going to mix Rustic and Sienna. So these two instead. All of these shadows just blend so easily. I love it. So for my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm going to use Tempera. Tempera, yes. And I think this is another shade that's in Modern Renaissance as well. But I kind of like that they included some of like the browns from Modern Renaissance into this one, because they are just such good transition colors that they should be in every palette. Okay, so that's it for the eyeshadows. I'm not going to do any winged liner or anything just because I want to keep it very like simple and soft looking. So just to finish the eyes now, I'm going to use the Double Decker Lashes Mascara from Butter London. I got this in this month's Boxycharm and I'm really curious to see how good it is. Okay, so that's the mascara. Definitely nice, but I feel like just from the name I thought it was going to be a little more dramatic, but I think it still looks pretty nice. I mean, I definitely have more like other mascaras that I like. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia, and I am so excited. First, the packaging is just beautiful, and oh my god, this just looks so pretty. I cannot wait. I don't even want to like touch it because it's so beautiful. I don't even know how much got on my brush, but oh, it's so pretty. I literally just love anything that Anastasia comes out with now. Whatever it is, I will buy it. I don't even care anymore. For my lips, I'm just going to use some gloss, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair. Just going to pop some of this on. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really like how it came out. I love like the pink eyeshadows, and it really is just very like soft and romantic looking. I really like it. And I can't wait to use all the other colors in the palette, like some of the golds and everything. Very excited to play around with all of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating this look and trying the palette out, and I can already tell this is going to be like my new go-to palette. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.